Hello students, welcome to you in chemistry classes. I produce a video to know about the difference between sigma bound and pi bound. Dear students, if this video is conducive to know difference between sigma bound and pi bound, then like and subscribe this video. Now I am going to start. First of all, we have to know about the concept of orbital to know the difference between sigma bound and pi bound. Dear student, orbital is the place where probability of finding electrons is maximum around nucleus. यानी न्यूक्लियस के चारों तरफ जहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन के पाए जाने की संभावना जितनी ज़्यादा होती है उसी प्लेस को ऑर्बिटल कहते हैं. देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ ऑर्बिटल S, P, D, F. Here we have to know about S and P orbital. What is its shape and size? Now students, S orbital is like a sphere and it is symmetrical around nucleus. Shape of P orbital is like a dumbbell, डमरू के समान, and there are 2 lobes, one in upper plane and next in lower plane. The electrons found in 2 lobes and at the middle point, this is known as nodal plane, and there is finding of electron is 0. Now P orbitals have 3 orientation. Dear students, you can see the shape and size of S and P orbital in figure. Now you can see the different orientation of P orbitals. First is along x-axis, second is y-axis along, and third is along z-axis. Now we have to know about the difference between sigma bound and pi bound. When 2 orbitals overlapped on their linear axis to form molecular orbital, such bound is known as sigma bound. यानी linear axis पे जो overlapping होगा, इस overlapping में maximum energy का, इसमें मैक्सिमम ओवरलैपिंग होता है ऑर्बिटल्स का, और इसके द्वारा जो बाउंड सिग्मा बाउंड बनती है वो काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है. और ये 3 तरह से बन सकती है: बाय द ओवरलैपिंग ऑफ बिटवीन एस एंड एस ऑर्बिटल, बाय द ओवरलैपिंग बिटवीन पी एंड पी ऑर्बिटल, और बाय द ओवरलैपिंग ऑफ एस एंड पी ऑर्बिटल. यहाँ सेकंड पॉइंट जो है, बाय द ओवरलैपिंग बिटवीन पी एंड पी ऑर्बिटल, पी और पी ऑर्बिटल का 3 ओरिएंटेशन है, जिसमें तीनों all the 3 p orbitals cut each other on right angle. So out of 3, only 1 overlapped on their linear axis and rest 2 overlap sidewise. Now you can see the figure of overlapping here. Now pi bound, this bound is formed by the sidewise overlapping of P and P orbitals is called pi bound. Now मैंने ये आपको कहा था कि P और P में 3 जो ओरिएंटेशन है उसमें 1 ओरिएंटेशन ही लीनियर एक्सिस पे ओवरलैप्ड होगा, बाकी 2 साइड वाइज पे. अब मैं यहाँ पाई बाउंड का दिखाया हूँ एक फिगर के द्वारा. नाउ देयर आर 2 एग्जाम्पल्स. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल मीथेन. इन मीथेन 4 हाइड्रोजन एटम overlapped with 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals of carbon, so form sigma bound, 4 sigma bound. Now in ethene molecule there is formation of 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals of carbon, and in ethene molecule its formula is C2H4. Here 1 carbon atom have 2 hydrogen atom and 2 s orbital of hydrogen atom overlapped with 2 sp2 hybrid orbitals of each carbon to form sigma bound. Now 1 rest sp2 hybrid orbitals of carbon overlapped between 2 carbon atoms to form 1 sigma bound, and 1 pz orbital that is remain left overlapped sidewise to produce 1 pi bound. So in ethene molecule there is 1 pi bound between 2 carbon atom and 1 sigma bound between 2 carbon atom, and there is 2 and 2 sigma bound for each carbon atom with hydrogen atom. Now okay.